Hi David, do you have a moment? I need to talk about the stock levels for line 2.
Sure, Mia. What seems to be the issue?
We're running low on some critical components, especially the 220 oof capacitors. I checked earlier, and they're nearly out of stock.
Let me pull up the inventory sheet. You're right. We only have 80 pieces left, and that won't last the shift.
Exactly. We use around 100 per shift. I also noticed we're short on ceramic resistors.
Ceramic resistors? Let's see. Oh, those are completely out of stock. No wonder production paused this morning.
Yeah. I think someone forgot to trigger a restock request.
You're probably right. Do you know when the last purchase order was made?
I checked SAP. The last purchase order was logged 12 days ago, but the supplier didn't confirm delivery yet.
That's sod. The delivery schedule should have included that by now. Let me check our emails. Okay, here it is. The supplier emailed back saying there's a delay in shipment due to customs.
So what do we do now? Production can't wait for another 3 days.
We'll have to find a workaround. First, send an urgent follow-up to the supplier. Then I'll raise a temporary purchase order with our backup vendor.
Understood. Should I also notify the production manager?
Yes, please. Let them know we have enough stock in for about half a shift only. After that, we'll run into trouble.
Got it. And what about the ICs? We had issues with those last week.
Let's see. Oh no, the 16-pin ICs are also low. Only 30 pieces in stock, and we need 60 per order.
Should I include those in the same purchase order?
Yes, add those too. And for the record, always flag any materials that fall below the threshold. What kind of issue, Mai?
Mr. Long, do you have a moment? I've found a serious issue with the inventory for the IC chips.
That's a significant discrepancy. Are you sure the count is accurate?
The system shows we have 1,200 pieces of the 74HC595 chip in stock, but after my physical count, we only have 940.
Okay, let me open the stock record and the last goods receipt. When was the last batch delivered?
Yes. I've double-checked it with another technician. We recounted and the number is still 940.
Did you check if there was any transfer of stock to another line?
2 days ago. I confirmed it with a delivery note. The box had 1,000 pieces, but I suspect something went wrong.
Could it be a data entry error?
Yes, line B took 60 pieces yesterday for urgent use. That still doesn't explain the missing 200 units.
Good. Also check if there were any unauthorized withdrawals or unrecorded stock movements.
Possibly. I'll review the system log to see if the quantities were entered correctly when the stock was received.
Yes, go ahead. Use the standard form. I'll need it to report to inventory control and possibly initiate a full audit.
Will do. Should I raise a stock discrepancy report?
Yes, just in case. Tag it clearly and mark it in the system as hold due to stock variance.
Understood. Should we quarantine the remaining stock?
Yes, and ask them to double-check the stock on their side as well. Also, let's schedule a quick cycle count for tomorrow morning.
Got it. Do you want me to notify warehouse operations?
Thanks, Mai. Good job catching this early.
All right. I'll prepare the documents and start the report now.
Lynn, we've got an issue. Line 2 is about to stop, we're completely low on material. Only one roll of BT900 left.
What? It's not supposed to run out until tomorrow. Did you check the inventory system?
I did. It shows 18 rolls in stock, but I just double-checked the shelves, only one is there.
That's clearly an inventory discrepancy. Someone must have withdrawn material without updating the stock tracking system.
Probably during the night shift. I asked, and no one submitted a material withdrawal record.
That's unacceptable. We rely on real-time data to plan. Submit an urgent restocking request now, don't wait.
Got it. I'll fill out the request form and mark it urgent in the system.
Good. Also call the warehouse supervisor directly. We need them to do a physical count, not just rely on what's in the system.
Understood. I'll call Dewey right now. Hi, Dewey. We have a situation, BT900 is showing 18 rolls in stock, but only one is physically here. Can you do a stock verification and check for misplacement?
Tell him to check the overflow rack. Sometimes rolls are stored there and not scanned correctly.
He's checking now. Also, I just realized the last time I withdrew 3 rolls, I forgot to update the material usage log.
That's part of the problem. Every time there's missing data, it throws off the whole restocking process.
I'll update it right after this. Maybe we need a standard procedure where the operator confirms every material withdrawal in real time?
Yes. And we'll discuss adding a barcode scanning step to prevent human error.
That would help. Oh, Chewy just found 5 rolls mislabeled under a different part number. He's going to correct the labels and send 3 rolls over immediately.